Hey everyone! Welcome to our video about digital citizenship and why it's important. As middle and high school students, you're growing up in a world where technology and the internet are a big part of your lives. Today, we'll talk about what digital citizenship means, why it's crucial, and how you can be a good digital citizen. Let's get started. What is digital citizenship?
Unlock the power of emotional intelligence. Join our cell course today. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey that will empower you or your child with the tools to navigate life's emotional and social challenges with confidence? Our Social Emotional Learning (SEL) course is your gateway to mastering the art of emotional intelligence, communication, empathy, and resilience. Why wait for a brighter future when you can start shaping it today? Our course is designed to equip you with the skills to enhance personal growth, improve relationships, and achieve academic and professional success. With our expertly crafted curriculum and interactive learning environment, you'll discover how to understand and manage emotions, turn emotional awareness into your superpower, build meaningful relationships, learn the secrets to forming lasting connections, navigate social environments, master the art of communication and conflict resolution, boost self-esteem and confidence, step into your power with newfound confidence, achieve personal and academic goals, set and reach goals you never thought possible. Why choose us? Flexible online learning. Access our course anywhere, anytime. Learn at your own pace, in a way that fits your busy life. Expert guidance. Benefit from the insights and support of seasoned SEL professionals dedicated to your success. Community support. Join a vibrant community of like-minded individuals all on their journey to personal growth and emotional wellness. Special offer alert. Sign up today and take advantage of our limited time offer that makes this life-changing opportunity more accessible than ever. Don't let this moment pass you by. Ready to transform your life? Embrace the journey to a more emotionally intelligent, socially skilled, and resilient you. Sign up for our cell course today and unlock your full potential. This is more than just a course, it's an investment in your future. Let's embark on this journey together. Your path to personal growth and success starts here. Sign up now and let's make a difference together. Join us now and transform tomorrow. Enroll today.